Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 10. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. First of all, to uninstall apps, go to this Start and search for apps. And you can find these apps and features. Click on this and over here you will find your installed apps. You can choose your apps to uninstall from here. Now I'll go with this one. Then click on this uninstall. And over here you'll find this icon, just click on this uninstall. After that click on this yes and you can see uninstalling. After that you'll get this pop-up. Click on OK and the software has been successfully uninstalled. That means this software is uninstalled. So in this way we can uninstall apps on Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe.